Kids and cadets, I'll pick up where I left off on these three fine beauties that I just picked up. The Husky, the recoil is broken on that. I have to change out the recoil. The Murray 22 started, but it was surging, so I'll do a carburetor clean on that one. And the last one I didn't get to is a 5 horsepower Murray, and I believe this is a 2014. Yeah, it's a 2014 model year. Let me prime this one and then see if we need some happy juice. Okay, I'm going to happy juice it. It felt like it wanted to start there for a second, but then nothing. Holy camole, look at this. This looks like some crumb cake. Look how much caked on crud is on this filter. It's even built up on the back of the cover here. This poor thing was suffocating. So this is what an original 2014 air filter looks like. Let me give it a couple of shots and see if this was the issue. Okay, so that's either fuel contamination or the carburetor jets are blocked up. So I'll degrease this Murray 5 horsepower and then do the carburetor, get rid of the fuel, and put a new air filter on it. This one has exceeded its useful life. So that's the update on these three fine beauties. A couple of carb cleans and a known recoil replacement. Kids, thanks for coming out. I'm going to get to work on these right now and do some cleanup on them. Thanks for coming out.